Now, here's the thing. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to take over the repetitive, soul-crushing tasks. While it handles the grunt work, you gotta focus on what really drives success. Personalized, high-quality sales calls, for instance, where the real opportunities actually lie. Like, picture this. It's 5 p.m. and your team is still drowning in cold outreach. Whether you're an HR, headhunt, or running a cold outreach agency, you know the brain, right? The emails keep stacking up. The calls keep going unanswered, and the follow-ups, they're slipping through the cracks. You've got leads, but you're trapped in an endless cycle of outreach. On the other hand, imagine another world in which you can be 100% able to grow your business without burning out. Does sound like a game changer, right? What if I told you it's not just a dream or an impossible goal? If you want to find out why, keep watching the video. So how does this AI sales agent actually change the game? So let's talk benefits now. First up, efficiency. This isn't just another automation tool. Our AI-powered agent analyzes vast amounts of data, studies patterns, and targets the right prospects. All that while saving you time. You can now reach more leads, more effectively, and without any of the tedious manual work. Imagine 10 times more effective than any human because it's powered by advanced algorithms that constantly improve and optimize. Whether you're sending 5,000 hyper-personalized emails or conducting 1,000 AI-powered calls per month, this agent handles it all. And let's not forget, our AI doesn't just work with emails or phone calls. It also handles LinkedIn outreach, automated follow-ups, and even custom landing pages to ensure the most personalized experience for each prospect. Now, here's a closer look at some of our game-changing features. Our AI sales agent offers smarter outreach. Unlock the power of intelligent outreach, identifying the right prospects at the right time. AI cold calling. Imagine 1,000 cold calls a month with tailored scripts for each prospect and higher conversion rates. AI email channel. Now, picture this, 5,000 emails a month, personalized with insights from your social media data, creating content that actually speaks directly to your audience. And for last but not least, AI LinkedIn channel, automated outreach, personalized follow-ups, and even automated LinkedIn posts to boost your brand presence. So far, you've seen how AI is a game-changer tool to exponentially increase your productivity. But there's one thing that AI can do, but you can, so hit the subscribe button to be always in tune with our latest content. Here's the part where it really gets exciting. Nobody's doing this, at least not the way we're doing it. While other tools may offer isolated features like cold emailing or automated LinkedIn outreach, our AI sales agent takes it much further with an omnichannel approach. From emails to phone calls, LinkedIn, and much beyond, our AI integrates like no other tool across all platforms, ensuring your outreach is consistent, personalized, and omnipresent. And for niches that require a more personal touch, AI cold calling is a game changer. We provide a dedicated phone number, giving your prospects a real, human-like experience. It's basically like having a team of virtual sales reps available 24/7 and ready to engage at any time. Allows you to sit back, relax, and focus your full attention on closing the deals without the stress. After all, our AI sales agents work tirelessly, maximizing outreach, engagement, conversion, so you don't have to. Just go and focus on what really matters, building a relationship and closing the deal, while AI takes care of the busy work. Well, now that you learned how AI can change the big picture for your business, here's my tip. Check out this video to understand how you can teach any biz our solution to act and work like you. Trust me, it's worth seeing it. And that will do for today. Thank you so much for watching the video so far. Bye.